Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the Groove Life silicone wedding rings, or just rings, depending on what you want to wear it for. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. So it comes in that cool sleeve. Now you can purchase them individually, or you can also get a bunch of, different ones if you want to have options to switch them out. So this is having some options. Open it up, we got a cool little sticker, it says Groove Life. And then I have 3 of the women's wedding bands in here with cool designs, as well as 2 different men designs. Now I'll take them out in a second. They don't offer half sizes, but they do have a sizing chart and they're really close. My ring size is a half size and I got the regular size and it's completely fine. So the cool thing about Groove is that it has these grooves, which I'll show you. Open it up. So you see the grooves there, that's the part of the logo, and those grooves allow airflow to go underneath the ring, because the biggest problem with silicone rings is that water and things get stuck underneath and they start to stink unless you really take them off and really wash good. So this is supposed to stop that from happening. And also it's a kind of really cool design. So I have a traditional jewelry wedding band, but this is really cool. If you don't want to worry about something getting stolen, you're going somewhere, you can easily put on a silicone ring. Or if you're working in an industry where having metal could be an issue and be dangerous, where the silicone ring is a lot less dangerous for hazard issues. So that's the one of the male looking ones. They have all these different colors that you can get, as well as college and university logos, things like that. And some people that I read online, they complained, they're like, well, it has the Groove Life logo there. Big deal, you know what? It's only in one spot. Turn it upside down. It doesn't have the Groove Life logo anymore if you're really concerned about it. And then also, here's another one that we have. This is almost like a camo looking one. And they do actually have camo. It's like a khaki green with orange. Really cool looking. And then the women's ones. This is a cool looking women's version. Almost like a tie-dye look to it as well. And then you have these, you can just switch them out. Again, so if you're going somewhere, you don't want to worry about something or putting it away in like a hotel safe and worry it's going to get stolen, you just take these with you on vacation. People know you're married and you're good to go. So that's what's in the box of the Groove Life silicone rings. If you were to get one, it's probably just going to come like that. If you get a pack, that's going to come in the package like I showed you. But I'm also going to do a video and compare to one of Amazon's top rated silicone rings and see how it actually stands up to, the soap and the water, if the smell really is a difference between these. But there you go. So that's the Groove Life silicone rings. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.